Hi everyone. Okay, so I finished creating a layer and I want to test its validity, but first another thing that is connected. QGIS, while digitizing, gives you warnings. The definitions for these warnings are here. You go to vector, check the geometries. These are the definitions that define, let's say if I do that, and I have two vertices that are one on top of the other, I get a warning. Whether it does it or not is defined by those definitions. But there's another thing you can do. Once you've finished, you can check the validity, geometry tools, check validity, and I check my layer. Sorry, I have to save it first. Again, vector, geometry tools, check validity, and the output is 3 layers. The valid output, which means the valid polygons in this case, the invalid, and the error. I'll keep it in temporary files. I won't save it to files I know where they are, and I run, and I have those two layers. So it's 3. That's the valid output. And that is the invalid output. As you can see, it's an empty layer, so apparently everything is valid. And there are no errors. Okay, so now let's put inside in this layer, let's put a twisted polygon. That's a twisted polygon. And now let's do it again. First, of course, save it, vector, check validity, and that's an invalid output. Okay, we're done. Thank you.